All right, so I'm just going to assume that you're starting to get leads from the different either reels you're posting or short form videos or the text posts that you're posting. Now, if you do start getting some comments, people saying, yes, I'm interested, I'd like to learn more, instead of having to go into those comments and respond to them all day manually, you can use a tool called ManyChat. Now, I'll leave a link to a special deal to ManyChat in the description of this video so you can get started. But either way, once you get into ManyChat, you're going to go and sign in. Once you sign in, you can build some automations. Now, ideally, you're going to be posting to a page or a Instagram business page. If you don't have those set up yet, I would recommend setting those up, because if you're using personal profiles, you're not going to be able to use ManyChat, unfortunately. This only works if you actually have a page set up. Okay, so I showed you in one of the other videos inside the checklist how to set up a page. If you haven't watched that, go watch that. But once you set up a page, you can go and connect to your page within ManyChat by going to the settings, or actually, sorry, let's go to the pages up here. Click on this page, create new account, and then I can choose what I want to connect to. So I can connect to Instagram, I can connect to Facebook Messenger, I can connect to WhatsApp or Telegram. So for the moment, we're just going to do Facebook Messenger and Instagram. So when I click on Facebook Messenger, I'm going to connect one of my pages. You can see I have a bunch of these pages that I've already built here. Let's go ahead and do the AI cash generator page. There we go. It says, congratulations, AI cash generator is connected. I'm going to click on next. It's going to ask me to activate with either the free plan or the pro trial. I'll just do the pro trial. And I don't really know the big difference between the two. Let's just save this. I think there's just more features on the pro than there is on the free. And once this is good to go, there we go. It says your 7-day free pro trial starts today, and then after it's done, it's $15 a month, depending on how big your list is. Then you just select randomly. It doesn't matter what these are. Just do whatever. All right, we're going to just do whatever again here, blah, 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 confirm or just cancel. And now we can start doing our automations, okay? So if I click on automation here, I can click on new. And I can either select a pre-made template, or I can just use a template that is from scratch. I'm just going to choose from scratch. And now I can set it up where anytime somebody comments on one of my posts, I can send them a message and comment back. Okay. So if I click on new trigger and it says user comments on your post, I can click on that. Then I can say, if anybody comments contains any words, if somebody's comment contains any words, not a specific word, right? If they just say anything, I can run this automation. Now, I can choose a specific post. I'm going to do any post, and it looks like we have to have pro for that. I'm going to track first level comments only. That means I'm not going to go and respond to a bunch of people later on in a thread. I just want the first comment. And then I'm going to public auto response as well. That means I'm going to actually respond to their comment with my comment. So if somebody says, yes, I'd like to learn more, I can say, awesome. You can get started right now for free at shineranker.com. Now, remember, if I had a custom domain going to my affiliate link, like the one I showed in one of the previous videos, I would do whatever that custom domain is. So sleepincome.com or whatever the domain is that we had. We can also choose to like their comment after we leave the response. Click on save. And then we can also send them a DM. Okay, so we'll send a DM. Say, hey, I saw you commented. You can get started right now for free at shineranker.com. Now you can obviously do more than this. You can do a bunch of crazy stuff. We're just going to do it like this for now. And I can even pull their first name in here too. So instead of just saying, hey, I can say, hey, click on this first name, and it'll pull their first name from their profile. Okay. I saw you commented on our post. There we go. So now when we click on publish, oh, it looks like it has to be a comment reply. So let me actually click on this, comment reply, publish. And now let me test this. I'm going to go leave a comment on this actual profile, and we're going to see if it'll work. So let's go over to our Facebook. We're going to go find that page, AI Cache Generator. Click on this. There's a post. I'm going to say interested. Boom. All right, and then let's refresh this. It should go through instantly. Comments. And we're not seeing it yet, but it should be going through. Let's see. Let's go over to here. Live chat. And maybe it takes a second to load, I'm not sure, but that should be good to go. That should be set up. We are running this on our own page, on ShineRanker's page. We're running this on multiple different profiles, and it definitely is working. You can see the automation running here, and it's the exact same automation. You can see there's 48 comments that came through, and you can see how many people have actually seen the messages, opened them, clicked on the links, so on and so on. So it might take a second to populate, but theoretically that should be everything that you have to do. But it might also be because of the fact that we commented with a Facebook page instead of a Facebook profile. That could be the issue here. But anyways, I'll figure out what's going on, and then I'll see you in the next one.